In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files to your database in Airtable. To get started, open your Airtable Base. This is the workspace where your data lives, and it's where you'll add the new file as a table. Before you begin importing, it's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct base, especially if you manage multiple projects or datasets. That helps avoid placing information in the wrong location and keeps everything organized from the start. Once you're inside the base, look toward the top area of the interface for the plus icon used to add a new table. Click that icon to begin the import process. This is the main entry point for bringing outside data into Airtable, and it allows you to expand your base with new information without having to enter everything manually. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be asked to choose how you want to add your new table. Select the appropriate import option for your file. Depending on the format of the file you're working with, Airtable may offer different choices, so just pick the one that matches the file you want to bring in. This step is important because it tells Airtable how to read and structure your data correctly. From there, continue by following the on-screen prompts. Airtable will guide you through the rest of the setup, which may include choosing the file from your device, confirming how the data should be arranged, and reviewing the table before finalizing the import. Take your time here and read each prompt carefully, since this is where you can catch issues like incorrect column types or formatting mismatches before the data is added. As you move through the prompts, pay attention to how your fields are mapped. If something looks off, it's usually easier to correct it during the import process than after the table has already been created. A quick review at this stage can save time later and help keep your database clean and consistent. Once you finish the prompts, Airtable will create the new table using the file you imported. After the import is complete, it's a good idea to scan through the table and confirm that everything looks correct. Check that the rows, columns, and field names appear the way you expect. And that's it. That's how to import files to your database in Airtable. If you follow these steps carefully and review your data before finishing, the process is usually quick and straightforward.